how to do homework. Yesterday I told you how to do. Now 34, one of the most important question, integral under root of tan x the whole upon sin x into cos x, sin x into cos x into dx. Anyhow, better listen. You have to check what is suitable substitution for this question. So under root, we should remove under root. For that I will give tan x is equal to t square. Okay, fine. Differentiation of tan x becomes sec square. We have only one cos. Suppose if it is cos square, I can take to numerator. So what I am doing here, I equal to integral under root of. So ये conclusion कहाँ से आया? Under root आ गया tan x का. anyhow I have to give substitution t square. वहाँ से ये modify कर रही हूँ. sin x into denominator में एक cos से multiply and divide कर रही हूँ बेटा. cos से multiply and divide कर रही हूँ. Now that is equal to under root of tan x. I am taking cos square to numerator, that is sec square x. The whole upon I will get it tan x into a dx. And now give substitution. Tan x is equal to t square implies sec square x into dx is equal to 2t into dt. Now if I substitute everything here, I equal to integral under root of t square instead of sec square x into dx 2t into dt. The whole upon instead of tan x we will get a t square under root of t square t into t square ऊपर नीचे t square cancel 2 into integral dt that is equal to 2t plus c. dt का integration t plus c. Now I equal to, this is one of the repeated question, this one instead of t I can substitute here tan x plus c. This is one of the most important question. Okay, fine. Now see next question number 35. 35 I am giving hint, you have to do homework. Of course 1 plus log x equal to t substitution दो, differentiate करोगे 1 upon x into dx is equal to dt. Now substitute each and everything in given integrand function, you will get answer. Okay, fine. Now see next question number 36. 36 question also I am giving hint beta integral. What is written here? X plus 1 into x plus log x the whole upon x plus log x the whole square the whole upon x into dx. Now listen. Anyhow, like log x आ गया, we don't have an integration. That's keep in your mind. और whole square है, so इसलिए हम giving substitution x plus log x is equal to t. इसको differentiate करो 1 plus 1 by x into dx is equal to, we will get it dt. If I take LCM x plus 1 upon x into dx equal to dt. Now question को देखें x plus 1 upon x into dx की जहाँ से I can write, that is I am completing the equation. This becomes t square and the remaining part dt that is equal to t cube by 3 plus c. That is I equal to instead of tx plus. It is so simple. So you should recognize what is the suitable substitution for the integrand function. That's it, so that we can bring the function into simplest form. Now see example 37. 37 is question number 37 and the most important question. That is x cube into sin of tan inverse x power 4. The whole upon what is given 1 plus 8. This is also one of the repeated question beta. Now listen here. Anyhow, I told you inverse we don't have an integration. Of course tan inverse x power 4 equal to t substitution. Differentiate कर रही है बेटा, tan inverse का 1 upon 1 plus x square. Already x power 4 है, x power 4 का whole square x power 8 into differentiation of x power 4, that is of 4x cube. If you are not writing this step 4x cube, then you will not get answer. So finally we are getting x cube into 1 plus x power 8 into dx is equal to 4 goes to that side dt by 4. Now substitute everything here. Now I equal to integral, this becomes dt by 4. So 1 by 4 take out, 1 by 4 take out dt. That is this becomes a sin t and the remaining term becomes dt. So that is equal to minus cos t by 4 plus c. Instead of t we can, so this is one of the most important question. Instead of t we have tan inverse x power 4 the whole upon 4 plus c. Like this they can ask the question, so you have to check what is the suitable substitution. Now see beta question number 38. So 138 question is given here, integral. This is also repeated question. 2 more question x power 9 plus 10 power x into log base they have given e and this is 10 power x into log e power, that is 10 into dx, the whole upon what is given here, that is x power 10 plus 10 power x. बेटा टर्म्स इसी तरह क्वेश्चंस आता है, आप चेक करो किसका डिफरेंशिएशन कहाँ पे, क्वेश्चन देख के कभी भी डरना मत। इधर देख x पावर 10 प्लस 10 पावर x इज इक्वल टू t, सब्स्टिट्यूशन दो, इसका डिफरेंशिएट करोगे 10 इंटू एक्स पावर 9, ये a पावर x का फॉर्मूला है, a पावर x का डिफरेंशिएशन क्या है, ax इंटू लॉग a, सो ax इंटू लॉग a मतलब log 10 अंडरस्टूड नेचुरल लॉग बेस e आएगा बेटा। सो अपने आप न्यूमरेटर आ गया, इक्वल टू क्या हो जाएगा dt, so that is if substitute everything here, so I equal to integral numerator dt and denominator t, that is equal to log t plus c, so that is I equal to log instead of t x power 10 plus 10 power x और plus क्या हो जाएगा c। Are you clear? Yes. Yes, yes. Write down beta, fast write down. Then I will give introduction of next exercise. We done better? No. Do it fast. Yes. Now listen better, this last question, 39th question, you can do in different way this question number 39, but as per MCQ answer I brought this method, but I'll let you know what different method you can adopt in this question. Now listen here better. What I have done here, suppose denominator sin square cos square or sin square cos cube like this area, then you can write numerator constant we have, that is 1 in case the terms within multiplication, then only that is possible. Then 1 we can write sin square plus cos square. then I make it separate, sin square upon this, sin square cancel, 1 by cos square, this upon this करूँगी, cos square cancel, 1 upon sin square into dx, 1 by cos square becomes sec square, 1 by sin square become cosec square का integration tan x and cosec square का minus cot x plus c. Otherwise you can do one thing better, this question 4 से multiply and divide करो, that is up to your choice बच्चे. Here is a possibility that you can do it. So 4 into integral dx upon, we can write this becomes 4 sin square cos square, 2 sin square 2 sin x cos x का whole square, that is we will get sin square 2x, sin square 2x. So that is equal to 4 into cosec square 2x. This is also one of the answer, that is not wrong. Okay, 4 into cosec का minus cot 2x upon क्या जाएगा 2 plus c, ये cancel हो जाएगा. So ये भी आंसर आ सकता है, बट आपका ऑप्शन में ये दे रखा है इसलिए इसी तरह हमने किया. So ये भी आप आंसर लेकर आ सकते हो, that's I'm saying. So you can do any method, that means our target is to bring the integrand function into simplest form. Are you clear बेटा? Yes बच्चे? Yes. Write down बेटा, then I will start next one, that is integration using trigonoidentities. Write fast and we should know trigonometric formulae for next exercise. This is one of the most important exercise. They will frequently ask a question from this exercise, so base concept should be clear and we require some formula term also. Now let me first give introduction, then I will take very exercise. Have you done it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now write integration using trigonometric identities. Integration using trigo identities. बेटा बहुत अच्छे क्लियर सुन लेना, कॉन्सेप्ट चाहिए, क्वेश्चन आप लोग खुद भी कर सकते हो. Using trigo identities. So whatever you have seen the formula in 11th standard, that's we will use it here. Okay, fine. सबसे पहले मैं इंट्रोडक्शन दे रही हूँ बेटा, एवरीथिंग इज नोट में जाएगा. सपोज मान लो नंबर 1, इफ ऑड डिग्री, ट्रिगो टर्म इज ऑड डिग्री, ट्रिगो टर्म क्या आ गया, ऑड डिग्री आ गया बेटा, ऑड डिग्री. इफ इट इज इवन डिग्री क्या करना है, दैट्स आई विल टेल यू. फॉर एग्जांपल सपोज sin cube x. So how to integrate this? sin cube का even then you can use formula sin 3x का. In case आपका आ गया sin power 5x like this etc. cos power 5x like this, tan power 5x. So how to मैं ऑड डिग्री की बात कर रही हूँ. So how to integrate? सबसे पहले स्टेप नंबर 1 स्टेप्स दे रही हूँ बेटा. ये जो ऑड डिग्री है ना, अभी एग्जाम्पल दूंगी आपको, जो ऑड डिग्री है ना उसको क्या करोगे, इवन इंटू ऑड स्प्लिट करोगे. मतलब इवन समथिंग होगा बट जो ऑड रिमेनिंग है वो डिग्री 1 होगा. इन केस क्यूब हो 2 इंटू 1 करोगे, 5 हो 4 इंटू 1 करोगे, दैट इज डिग्री 4 और डिग्री 1 ऐड करोगे, डिग्री 5 हो जाएगा. स्टेप नंबर 1. स्टेप नंबर 2 में जो इवन डिग्री आपने जो बना रखे है यहाँ पे क्या करोगे, यूज आइडेंटिटी. आइडेंटिटी मतलब सपोज साइन स्क्वायर आ गया 1 माइनस कॉस स्क्वायर, tan स्क्वायर आ गया sec स्क्वायर माइनस 1. सो यूज आइडेंटिटी यूज करोगे बेटा. उसके बाद स्टेप नंबर 3 में क्या करोगे, जो आइडेंटिटी के अंदर ट्रिगो टर्म है, सपोज sec स्क्वायर माइनस 1, sec x इज इक्वल टू t. सो दिस आइडेंटिटी के अंदर ट्रिगो टर्म है ना, देन आइडेंटिटी इक्वल टू t दे दे रहा. आइडेंटिटी मतलब ओनली ट्रिगो टर्म बोल रही है. दैट कैसे मैं आपका स्टेप बोलूँ, आइडेंटिटी ओनली क्या बताया, ट्रिगो टर्म, ओनली ट्रिगो टर्म इक्वल टू क्या दोगे, t, देन प्रोसीड. अभी मैं आपको स्टेप्स दे रही हूँ बेटा, एग्जाम्पल दे रही हूँ, देन प्रोसीड. फॉर एग्जाम्पल सपोज आपके पास 2 एग्जाम्पल दूंगी बेटा, एक्सरसाइज में क्वेश्चन आप लोगों ने करना है. इन केस इफ द क्वेश्चन कम्स sin power 5 2x minus 1 into dx, repeated questions बेटा, integrate. So now what I told you, the step number 1 you have to split even into odd. So इसको क्या करोगे, sin power 4 2x minus 1 into sin क्या करोगे 2x minus 1 into dx. odd into even आना चाहिए, सॉरी even into odd आना चाहिए. even 4 odd हमेशा 1 ही रहेगा. इनके 7 हो 6 रखोगे 1 रखो, 3 हो 2 रखोगे 1 रखोगे. Then what I told you, whatever trigo identity you have to use here, identity here, trigo term में even degree में identity use करोगे. Now that is I equal to integral sin power 4 को I can write sin square का whole square, sin square का I can write 1 minus cos square. I told you use the trigo identity. Okay, whole square हो जाएगा बेटा ये. Okay, क्योंकि इसको मैंने क्या लिखा है, so that is equal to integral sin square 2x minus 1 का whole square into क्या लिख सकती हूँ बेटा, sin 2x minus 1 into dx. अब इसी sin square में क्या किया हमने, 1 minus cos square कर दिया, तभी बोला है use identity. अब into sin 2x minus 1 into sin 2x minus 1 into क्या हो जाएगा dx. अब व्हाट आई टोल्ड यू, जो भी इवन डिग्री है उसमें आइडेंटिटी जो है उसमें ट्रिगो टर्म का सिर्फ टी सब्स्टिट्यूशन दोगे, मतलब कॉस स्क्वायर का नहीं बेटा, कॉस क्यों दे रही हो यहाँ पे, इसका डिफरेंशिएशन ये रहा बेटा. सो कॉस 2x प्लस 1 इक्वल टू टी, दिस इंप्लाइज इसको डिफरेंशिएट करूँ माइनस साइन 2x माइनस 1 इंटू डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ इनसाइड करूँगी इंटू 2 इंटू dx इक्वल टू dt. Now that is a sin 2x minus 1 into dx equal to minus 1 upon 2 into dt. Now सब कुछ उठा के यहाँ पे रखोगे I equal to इंटीग्रल, ये हो गया 1 minus t square का होल स्क्वायर, ये पूरा एंटायर टर्म हो गया minus 1 upon 2 आउटसाइड, आई एम कीपिंग आउटसाइड, into this becomes totally क्या हो जाएगा आपका dt. नाउ इसका होल स्क्वायर का फॉर्मूला यूज करोगे माइनस 1 अपॉन 2 इंटीग्रल 1 प्लस टी पावर 4 माइनस 2 टी स्क्वायर इंटू dt. नाउ I इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन 2 इंटू, सो इसको इंटीग्रेट करूँ ये हो जाएगा t प्लस टी पावर 5 बाई 5 माइनस 2 टी क्यूब बाई 3 प्लस क्या हो जाएगा c. Now I equal to, I will give you one more example. So 1 upon 2 into, instead of t, we don't have any other alternate at all beta. This is a particular method. If it is odd degree, then we have to do like this only. So 1 upon 2 into, instead of t, what we have, that is cos 2x minus 1 and then plus cos 2x minus 1 whole power 5, the whole upon 5 minus 2 into cos cube 2x minus 1 the whole upon 3 plus क्या आ जाएगा c. I will give one more example. That example I will take it to integral. Suppose if the term comes to like this, that is at least one order degree होना जरूरी है. Cos cube 3x plus 1 into sin 3x plus 1 into dx. Suppose or otherwise यहाँ पे sin square. सो एटलीस्ट 1 ऑर्डर डिग्री होना जरूरी है बेटा, तभी ये प्रोसीजर. इन केस दोनों इवन डिग्री हो, वी कैन नॉट फॉलो दिस प्रोसीजर. एटलीस्ट ये भी ऑर्डर डिग्री, ये भी ऑर्डर डिग्री, तभी भी प्रोसीजर फॉलो कर सकते हो. लेकिन ये प्रोसीजर फॉलो करने के लिए एटलीस्ट 1 ट्रिगो टर्म मस्ट बी ऑर्डर डिग्री, तभी फॉलो कर सकते हैं. इफ इट इज बोथ आर इवन डिग्री, then different method we have, that let you know next example I will take. First you write down this, I will do it this one. Write fast better. Better write fast, at least I will complete introduction today, so that you can do complete revision, then we will start the exercise, or otherwise I will give you 1 or 2 questions.
ma'am, done.
Yes, beta. Now see next question, beta. I am taking that one. That is cos cube. What I told you. Suppose if you want to proceed this procedure, at least one trigger term should be odd degree. Then only we can follow. Here cos cube. That is sin square. Leave it. Suppose both are on odd degree. This is also cos cube. That is sin power 5. कोई एक में यूज करोगे ये प्रोसीजर, आइदर कॉस क्यूब को स्प्लिट करोगे, नहीं है तो साइन क्यूब को स्प्लिट करोगे, दोनों स्प्लिट करोगे, सिंप्लीफाई करोगे, वापस क्वेश्चन आ जाएगा. सो जो कोई एक ऑड डिग्री में ये प्रोसीजर यूज करना है, ये तो ऑड है, ये तो इवन है, तो इट्स ओके. मान लो ये दोनों ऑड डिग्री आ गए, ये भी क्यूब आ गया, कोई एक में फॉलो करोगे, दोनों में फॉलो. फॉर एग्जांपल इफ आई टेक दिस क्वेश्चन कॉस क्यूब इनटू साइन क्यूब, इसको और भी डिफरेंट मेथड है, सो दैट इज क्वाइट लेंथी, लेकिन अगेन इसी मेथड में ही आने पड़ेगा. आप इसको कर सकते हो 8 से मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड. सो देन 2 sin x cos x का होल क्यूब, sin क्यूब x, वही आएगा फॉर्मूला, वही है, फिर अगेन ऑड इंटू इवन में जाने पड़ेगा. इन केस बोथ आर ऑड डिग्री, व्हाट आई टोल्ड यू, कोई एक में आपको अप्लाई करने पड़ेगा. इन केस एक ऑड एक इवन उसी ऑड डिग्री में अप्लाई करियो, बोथ आर इवन डिग्री, देन वी कैन नॉट फॉलो दिस प्रोसीजर. इन केस बोथ आर ऑड डिग्री, देन व्हाट वी हैव टू डू. So what I told you, I can use any one term, that is I am taking cos cube. Okay, cos cube को split कर रही हूँ बेटा, cos square 3x plus 1 into cos 3x plus 1, उसको मैं standard रख रही हूँ, that is sin cube 3x plus 1 as it is I am keeping. Okay, fine. Now that is equal to whatever I splitted even degree, उसमें हमें क्या करूँगी, identity use करूँगी. This can be written as 1 minus sin square 3x plus 1 into इसका टर्म सारे कटे रखो, sin cube 3x plus 1 into another term we have cos 3x plus 1 into क्या आ जाएगा dx. बेटा एंगल शुड बी सेम होना चाहिए, डिफरेंट होगा दैट इज नॉट एट ऑल पॉसिबल. सपोज यहाँ पे cos क्यूब 3x plus 1, यहाँ पे sin क्यूब सम एंगल डिफरेंट है, दैट इज नॉट पॉसिबल एट ऑल. क्वेश्चन भी वेल डिफाइंड होना चाहिए. Now see what I told you, whatever the identity trigo term that gives substitution, so that we will get differentiation of another this term. So sin 3x plus 1 equal to, if I give t substitution, if I differentiate this cos 3x plus 1 into 3 into dx equal to क्या हो जाएगा dt. Now 3 goes to that side, dt by 3. Now I equal to integral, this becomes 1 minus t square into this becomes a t cube into cos 3x plus 1 into dx is a dt by 3. If I take out 1 by 3, then if I open this t cube minus t power 5 into dt, if I integrate this 1 by 3 into t power 4, the whole upon 4 minus t power 6, the whole upon 6 plus c, then instead of t, if you substitute all the values, we will get it here. So that is equal to I equal to 1 upon 3 into, what is t here, that is a sin power 4 3x plus 1, the whole upon 4 and then minus sin power 6 3x plus 1, the whole upon, we will get plus c. बेटा समझ आए बच्चे? Say yes, no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, do it. Now see the same procedure you have to do. क्वेश्चन आपकी बुक में बता रही हूँ, दैट इज 7.3. होमवर्क करोगे, सिमिलर टाइप क्वेश्चन करके वो आपको प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगा. नाउ आई विल टेक इवन डिग्री, दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, सॉरी इवन ऑड डिग्री है बेटा. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर दिस 4 and 5 we have to do homework. 4 and 5 same type odd degree, how to do homework. That is 7.3. Now if it is even degree, what we have to do, that's I will take example. Write fast बच्चे. So exercise number 7.3, question number 4 and 5 odd degree question. Whatever I did procedure, same procedure you have to follow, you will get answer. Better keep on preparing for a test. That's I told you 30 questions. Even what CBS is saying, whatever they have deleted portion, that we can take in practical. Beta, next week I will announce you. I don't know whether you have purchased practical file or not. So first let me ask, then I will recommend you practical file. Then we will start write exercise, practical exercise. Clear to you? So whatever I deleted the portions right now, and we taught that topic. For example, Lagrange rules theorem. Already I taught, you know the concept. So we can take it in practical. We will not take a purpose of board exam, but I can take it in this which one practical. Okay, so I will convert into that one practical. Beta, have you done it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now beta, if it is even degree, what we have to do? Okay, fine. Now I told you, in case of trigonometric order degree, at least one order degree, then we can use this procedure. Only even degree आ गया, so तो उसमें क्या करेंगे? For example, दो example दूंगी, then वो question cover up कराऊंगी. Example integral. Suppose बेटा आपके पास आ गया sin over 4 3x minus 1 into dx. Okay, fine. So ये क्वेश्चन आ गया, only even degree होगा टर्म में. So अभी इसका we don't have any alternate at all formula आपको बता रहे, क्योंकि इसको क्या करेंगे बेटा, we don't have any alternate at all here. Whole square, इसको ये लिख दिया. I have given the sin square can be written as 1 minus cos 2x, 1 minus cos 2 into 3x minus 1, the whole upon 2 का whole square. Are it only even degree? Then you have to use a trigo identity formula. So that is equal to, if I open this, this becomes 1 upon 4 integral, I will get it 1 plus cos square. I am opening a minus b ka whole square, cos square. If I open this 6x minus 2 and then minus 2 cos 2x minus 2 cos, I will get it as 6x minus 1 into क्या आ जाएगा बेटा आपके पास dx. Anyhow, again here even degree, so again I have to split, that is 1 plus, this can be written as 1 plus cos 2x, 1 plus cos 2x, the whole upon, that means you have to use the trigo formula, trigo identity, we don't have any other alternate, that is minus 2 cos 6x minus 1 into dx. Now again if I simplify this, this becomes 1 upon 4 integral, this is 1 by 2 plus 1, so I am simplifying this 3 by 2, this becomes 3 by 2, this becomes 1 by 2 into cos, if I open this 12x minus 4 and then minus 2 cos, I will get 6x minus 1 into dx. I told you one of the most important questions better, these are all trigonometric identities. Now I equal to the final answer I have 1 upon 4 into, so ये हो जाएगा, इसके इंटीग्रेट करूँ 3 by 2x and then plus 1 upon 2 into cos का इंटीग्रेट करूँ, so 1 upon 2 into sin क्या आ जाएगा 12x minus 4 upon किसका x माना है उसको डिफरेंशिएट करके डिनोमिनेटर में लिखोगे and then minus again 2 cos, ये आ जाएगा 6x minus 1, 6x ये 6x, ये सही है ना बेटा, 6x minus 2 आएगा ना यहाँ पे, 6x minus 2 आएगा, am I correct? 6x minus 2, 6x minus 2, क्योंकि 2 को ओपन किया हमने, क्लियर? ओके, सो 6x minus 2, the whole upon I will get it, क्या आ जाएगा आपके पास 6 आ जाएगा, ठीक है? सो प्लस क्या हो जाएगा c, if I simplify final answer that is equal to 1 upon 4 into 3 by 2x plus sin, we will get 12x minus 4, the whole upon 24 and then minus cos, we will get 6x minus 2, the whole upon 3, cos कहाँ से आया बेटे, cos का इंटीग्रेट करूँ क्या आएगा बच्चे, sin, cos का इंटीग्रेट करूँ I will get it sin plus क्या आ जाएगा c. Are you clear what I am saying? Yes बच्चे. Now see another example, let me take. Suppose if it is आपके पास आ गया, suppose cos power 2x plus 5 into dx. Suppose ये क्वेश्चन आ गया. Then cos power 5x को I can write cos square 2x plus 5 whole square into dx. Now that is equal to what I will get. That is equal to I can write cos square को क्या लिख सकती हूँ बेटा, अभी अभी बताया 1 plus cos 2x, cos 2 into 2x plus 5 the whole upon 2 का whole square I can write into dx. Now that is equal to, if I open this bracket, I will get it, this is 1 upon 2, I am taking out 1 upon 2. This becomes 1 plus cos square 4x plus 10 and then plus 2 cos plus 2 cos x. So 2 cos क्या हो जाएगा, 2 cos 4x plus 10 into क्या हो जाएगा dx, a square plus b square plus 2ab formula. Now that is equal to 1 upon 2 into integral 1 plus, again I have to use formula here, 1 plus cos 2x, 2 को अंदर ओपन कर रही हूँ, 8x plus 20 अपॉन 2 आ जाएगा and then plus 2 into ये as it is रखो 2 cos. Simple better, same formula I am using, nothing, I am not doing any new here. So 1 upon 2 into integral again 1 plus 1 by 2, 3 by 2 simplify कर रही हूँ और ये हो जाएगा cos 8x plus 20 the whole upon क्या हो जाएगा 2 and then plus 2 cos क्या हो जाएगा 4x plus 10 into 4x plus 10 into dx. Okay fine. अब इंटीग्रेट करना है, इंटीग्रेट कर रही हूँ, फाइनल आंसर आई एम सी इंटीग्रेशन लास्ट स्टेप आता है बेटा, इंटीग्रेशन दैट्स कीप इन योर माइंड. सो 1 upon 2 into 3 by 2 क्या हो जाएगा x हो जाएगा and then cos का इंटीग्रेशन क्या हो जाएगा sin, so that is sin 8x plus 20 the whole upon 8 आ जाएगा, ऑलरेडी हमारे पास 2 है, the whole upon 16 और प्लस 2 cos, इसका इंटीग्रेशन आ जाएगा sin 4x प्लस 10 द होल अपॉन 4 आएगा, ऑलरेडी 2 है तो कैंसिल होके अपॉन 2 प्लस c आएगा. सो व्हाट आई एम सेइंग, only if it is even degree, just use a Trigo formula, you will get answer. Are you clear beta? Say yes no बच्चे. Beta whether you are clear or not.
Yes ma'am.
Write down beta, write down. Write down beta one more concept that's let you know. Beta homework 7.3 question number 1 same type and then question number 10 same type and then question number 11. So total I have given 5 questions, that is already I have given you, that is question number 4 question number 4 and 5, question number 4 and question number 5 and question number 1 and then 10 and then 11. So please you have to do homework, otherwise it is quite difficult to understand and to continue the class. Have you done beta? Yes, do fast everyone. Beta, note down, please note down homework 7.3, question number 4, 5, 1, 10, 11. Whatever I am doing, similar questions I am giving, so try to do. Just I am writing formula only, I cannot continue questions, time is running now. Anyhow, these formula we will use, we will take questions on Monday. Integral, that is formula, trigonometric formula, can you remember sin A, 2 sin A cos B, 2 sin A cos B equal to, can you remember the formula, sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. This formula we will use it. Now formula number 2 sine A sine B. 2 sine A sine B. That is equal to cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Isn't it better? Isn't it? Already you have seen in 11th standard that formula I am giving you. These are our most important formula. I will use it on Monday. Now formula number 3, 2 cos A cos B. 2 cos A cos B. So that is equal to cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. These three formula, using these three formula, then next question we will do it. Are you clear? Up to this you have to do. Rest of the questions we will see on Monday. If I start, then time will up. So keep on preparing. I told you whatever I taught, the syllabus deleted by the board, that will I consider for practical. So you have 20 marks for practical. So we have to do 10 exercise, 10 activities in practical file. So whatever I taught in first book, at least I will take 2-3 practical from first book. Have you written everybody better?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Thank you better. Thank you everyone. We will see you on Monday.
Thank you.